Making a creative hanging decor. Form your popsicle like this and paste it. Now, you can start decorating your popsicle. You can print any sticker that you find in internet based on your theme. You can put in the middle for your design and paste it. You can create your own creativity. You can add ribbon and beads to enhance your artwork. Then paste the flowers on the center to make more attractive. You can make or buy a ready-made flowers. You can use a native or any cord like this. Put a beads on it like this. Make 3 pieces for your artwork. Put any round-shaped design at the bottom. Connect it in your popsicle. Make like this to hang your artwork. Take a look our finished artwork. Amazing! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.